look at that. I guess that took millions of years to form. Just that little bit of strata. But it took days just to remove all that. Isn't that something? Millions and millions of years. I will go out there and look at it, but I don't think they'd like that too much. Might be trespassing. Even better look to it. That did not take millions of years. That's awesome, bro. Reminds me of a chocolate cake or something. Some places like this you can find amethyst crystals. That's my birthstone. Even a merchandise store here. Bowater. True merchandise, true general merchandise. True groceries. Library at Stable House over there. Across from True's. Friendship Church.